Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So gold is pretty much unstoppable, huh? Man, I hope nobody's trying to sort this thing. My next area of resistance yesterday I was talking about was the 178, and it literally just blew right past that level. Maybe now it's going to come back and retest it, but boy, this is definitely still an uptrend. If we go all the way up to the higher time frames, very clearly a wave three, and wave threes do not end with just one giant impulsive move up like this. Even if it does end, which I don't really think it's going to at this point, it's gonna have to make like a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five all the way up on the weekly time frame just to end this one wave. So going all the way back down to the sort of time frames, I mean, I definitely would be doing the same thing that I've been doing for weeks. I would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for logs at the end of every single pullback I see, especially if you can identify one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks, and a nice little one, two, three-wave pullbacks. So what am I doing now? I am doing absolutely nothing but looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks. Maybe it'll come back and retest this 78% Fibonacci retracement and give us another opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.